morning, this is Hamid again. Yeah, it's been a while. I was being busy and everything. I know some of you care and some of you don't, but yeah, it's me. I want to tell things about myself because of course it's my vlog, it's my channel, so I would like to tell things about myself. So it's summers and it's really nice weather out there. So I buy some things to enjoy this weather properly, and one of that thing is this. So DJI, I'm a really big fan of DJI because I have this Ronin S on which my camera is mounted. Then I have my drone, DJI Mavic Pro, and then I have I just bought this Osmo Action, which is kind of equal to GoPro. So today I am going to review this. This is not sponsored and I wish it was sponsored, but yeah, I'm way behind. So I just bought this thing and let's check it out. I'm in my car and to test it, I'm thinking to go out and do different experiments on that. So let's go. Right now it is mounted on my car and it's a very wide view, and I can see it from the front screen. I can see what's going on, like the GoPro 7 or any other GoPro. We cannot see we are filming, either the angle is right or not, but here I can exactly see what's my display, how the things are, and recordings and everything, what's the frame rate, how much the battery is left, and everything. So right now my friend is here and I am vlogging right now, and he is here for delivery, so yeah. So right now I have mounted this Osmo on my head and I'm gonna ride a bike and see how the result is. So I'm gonna see you soon. I'm shooting at 4K with 24 frames per second, but I'm having Rocksteady disabled. Let's see what kind of because in Rocksteady enable it is smooth, but I heard there's some lagging problems. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath. Let's just start biking. And it's pretty windy here as well, so it's nice to bike around this nice night. And I'm going to test different kind of modes of this device, and let's see how it goes. So this is with the Rocksteady disabled, and let's see. So now the same settings, 4K 24 frames per second, but now this time I have enabled the Rocksteady, the gimbal itself in the camera. So I don't know what's shooting or how it is. You can see it. So that's so far view of Rocksteady, how things are.
After testing Rocksteady enable and disable, I tried to test some different functions. And the first function which I really wanted to do is because I can risk it because it's made for that, which is to put it underwater. So I put it in there and the result was marvelous. Then I make a time lapse, which also turns out to be really good. And there are some slow motion shots that I take from Osmo, and they're also amazing. overall this camera is really nice, and what I like the most about this camera is its front screen. You can see it's good for me because I do vlog a lot, and I can do a lot of vlogging with this camera. And I think like where I cannot take my bigger camera, I can take this camera with me and I can vlog there, because it's kind of not that good as my own camera like Sony is, but still like it's good, it's better. I hope you like my vlog, and do give a thumbs up if you like it, if you find it informative, and subscribe if you want to see the cool stuff. And I'm gonna make more content, more videos, more things that happening around me, because I'm explorer. That's why my channel called Omer Explores. So whatever I explore, I will show it to you. Until then, Omer Hamid signing off. Bye.